Hello everyone, today I will introduce my author. I have heard author who is an author engineer. His name is Ludwig. He is a song work very good Thailand. He worked for Vinfast company. He have a big strong body with soft black hair. He wore black clothes. He is a very good person, kind and very friendly to everyone. He often would help me in preparing car. His job is to prepare and upgrade car parts. He is very good. Is not he when he goes to work. He will assist and toaster when he goes to prepare the work for the time. Looking he worked very hard